No more waiting. No more. No more wait. We're done waiting. Good morning, Philippines.
Good morning everything! Good morning guys! So ngayon guys, nakapagpantulog pa tayo. And then also, ang sinuot kong pajama is kay Tami. Hindi niya sinusuot kasi sabi niya, suotin mo. Look, ito yon. Ang taas-taas. Look. Ang taas-taas ng pajama niya. Ang luwag-luwag. So yun, and good morning. It's already 8:44 ng umaga and today is Sunday. Happy Sunday everyone. And I don't know kung kailan nyo ito makikita, itong vlog, pero today is Sunday. Happy Sunday. And then ako ngayon magba-vacuum sa rug. And then inano ko lang yung pajama, parang nilukot-lukot, parang folding it that I can, wear it. Pajama, talon. So, good morning! My baby's here! You're so cute all the time. Hey, come here, na cutie pie. Where you going, hon?
You can't throw that bag out.
Why?
Because it says I have to return it. I have to return it in that bag.
Hello, guys. Ang ginaw talaga sa labas. Grabe. Ang ginaw. And, hinaan natin itong TV. Kasi nagba-vlog tayo. And also, what else? Kukuha lang ako ng vacuum. Kunin ko lang yung vacuum and then mag-vacuum tayo dito. And also, I'm going to wash the Tammy's blanket here. So, yun yung gagawin natin ngayong umaga. Dito yun nilagay namin yung vacuum. Hilder. Impulse, you go down. I know you don't like the vacuum, but I have to vacuum. I have to do this. Early in the morning, I have to be productive. Kailangan kong may magawa ngayong araw. Kasi sobrang boring na. Palagi na tayo nakaupo. Walang ginagawa sa buhay. So yun, at itong pajama is talagang naglos-los. Next, dito na naman tayo sa isang rug. Mga rug yung inano ko ngayon kasi naglinis naman ako kahapon. Laundry! Oh my God, itong pajama ko. We'll link it here to Shane pajama. Okay. Mamaya na tayo, hello? Mamaya na tayo maligo. Ano bang gagawin ko dito? Alam nyo guys, tatanggalin ko itong nasa ilalim ng nilabhan ko yung nilabhan ko na yan. And hindi ko palagi itong nilalabhan kasi hindi naman malinis. Hindi naman ito madumi. Ang ko lang is yung pillow, yung mga blanket. So, at saka kunin ko ito. Kailangan kong bumili ng ibang color. Maganda naman yun siya. Pero, guys, alam nyo guys, itong bed namin, kailangan siyang kunin yung sa ilalim na bed. Nasuot naman tayo, balik pajama guys. So, kunin ko to, labhan. Ang problema kasi nito, sa ilalim ng sa kama, is may cellophane. Okay? Hindi kinuha ni Tami kasi protection. Kaluka, protection, hindi. Kaluka. And every time maganon kami dito. Nag-slide-slide. Kasi may cellophane. Kaluka ako. Kunin ko tong cellophane. Pag sure na. Kaya slide-slide na tayo dito. Pagkatapos, magtatayo na naman para idut-dut ang bed. Kasi, ay nako talaga, masawa ko. Oh, kailangan ko na pala din itong labhan, guys. Ito, madumi na. Oh, may ano na dito. Ano ito? Waterproof. Just in case, iihi kami nito. Yan ah. Hindi natin, ang daming static. Eh, naku, pinakaayaw ko pa naman yung static na to. Ay! 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 Oh my God. Static everywhere. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. It's static. Oh my God, I can hear it. Ano ito siya, waterproof. It's a nice bed, but mas gusto ko yung bed namin ni Tami sa isang bahay. Look, it's a nice bed. Okay guys, time lapse tayo guys. Tinatawag ko yung isa, hindi pumangari, hindi umanhi. Labang mo. Yun, mamaya ko na yan i-arrange. And then mag-ask tayo ng help. Labahan ko muna yan bago natin yan i-arrange. Kasi kailangan din natin ng natulong ni Tami. Ang dami kong labahan. Maglaba ako nito. Labahan ko ito. Guys, kain lang tayo ng lunch kasi nagutom tayo. Nagutom ako. Yan, dito tayo kain. Meron akong table na dinala galing sa taas. So, manonood tayo ng movie. Free. Hello, yard free na. Ay, oh my God. Tingnan nyo to, guys. Ginawang pillow. Look. Tingnan nyo kung ano yung ginawang pillow niya. Laruan. Ginawang huggable toy. Look. Si Flippy Fish. Hindi kami makagit over nitong pusang to, guys. Kasi, sobrang cute talaga. Parang, ang ganda maging anak mo to. Hindi ka sinigawan, hindi pa pala salita. Iiyak lang pagutom, yun lang. Let's see kung dry na ba siya fully. Kasi kaluka talaga. Kung paminsan talaga I have to bali-bali din. Kasi kailangan like this still wet. So you have to do this again. Wala kasi akong bula. 'Di ba may bula na para ano siya? Para mag-dry talaga siya. Ito na, kunin na natin itong mga cover. Ito pa rin tayo, hindi pa rin tayo naliligo. Mamaya na tayo maligo, guys. Tignan natin kung anong instruction ito, guys. Kasi may instruction ito kung paano labhan. Kaso lang, uy, Chinese man ito. Chinese. Okay, let's put this thing. The thing is, Tommy is not here. So, I need help. Is galore, walang katapusang laba. Kailangan ko lang mag-ano kasi matagal-tagal na hindi na nalaban itong mga cushion. Naglumbod na po. Tanggalin natin yan, naglumbod na po. The magic wand of Tommy. Yeah, that's his thing, guys. La, my God, it's gonna drop. So, guys, I'm not done with my laundry. Still washing laundry. So, yung cover sa couch, bukas ko na siya, kasi hindi pa siya fully dry. Kasi hindi ko siya talaga dinadry na dry kasi mag-shrink siya. So, kailangan lang siya, hinahang ko siya doon. Careful, look at that. Look at that. Magic wand. La. Tighten it. There you go. Thank you. We have lights already. Thank you, sir. Ito siya, guys. Hinahang ko lang siya dyan. Hindi man siya sobrang, basa. Kasi inano ko siya for like low na pag-dry and then 20 minutes. Yun lang, 20 minutes dry and then ano ko lang siya dyan. Pabayaan ko lang siya. Busy pakain sa mga alaga. Ako katatapos ko lang naligo. Puti-puti yung mukha ko, diba? Naglagay ako ng pants. So, yun. At ito naman, ang loko.
I thought I put it back frozen.
La. Do not so close to the wall. And, ang daming last na to. Hindi na ako maglalaba, guys. Bukas na. Not over there. Huh? No, not yet. Before she's going to pee. Good morning, everything. Good morning, guys. The next day na po tayo. And, I open the window here. And also, I open yung window sa taas. Sa taas. Sa office. So, ngayon guys, continue po tayo sa sa kahapon na vlog. I-continue natin kasi wala masyadong ganap kahapon. Natin, couch. Oh my God. Diba? So, yun, ang bango. So, ilagay ko lang ito sila. Ang bango na. Ang bango. Okay, yun na siya, guys. And tinawag tayo ni Tami kasi itatry daw niya yung dry thingy. Ito. Gusto kong suotin. And then malapit ng winter, summer. I can't wear it. So, he's gonna try to... What are you gonna do?
Well, first I'm gonna put this on for stains.
Okay. So, yun, itry. Naglabas si Tami kagabi. Yung mga damit niya.
Didn't mean I wind up in them.
So, tingnan natin mamaya kung anong resulta nito. Kung malinis ba ang resulta. I'm sure mabango yung result. Pero, sa Pilipinas, guys, walang mga ganito tayong mga simple. Kapag meron tayong matanggap o makita sa ukay-ukay na mga ganito. Labhan, kamayin. Pero sabi pa niya, hindi pwedeng labhan. So, why you cannot wash this through hand? Even just hand? You can. You can't daw. Pero tayo doon, guys. If we buy okay. What is that for? Seriously? Is that will clean it? That's ridiculous. So you guys, the last time pala, I put this wrong. I put it the back in the front. That's why it's kind of looks funny. And this one is right. 2.
Tell the guy it's ugly anyway.
Huh?
Tell you it's ugly anyway.
Why is it ugly?
They should tell you. It was better when it was just a material.
So Tommy's, guys, it's ugly daw. Ugly daw itong cover. Hindi naman. Cover up to protect the couch. So if I gonna get another couch, I wanna get a gray couch. And this one,
Oh, black.
huh? Black couch? Yeah, because you know what? You have a kids.
I do.
Yes, you have animals that so hairy and it's not yet. Wait. Wait.
I'm not waiting no more. No more waiting. No more. No more wait. We're done waiting.
That's how Scotchy is, guys. He ruined the couch.
I should be working. Then I wouldn't be ruining couches.
You know what, honey? I'd rather you be home with me.
I'd rather be working.
Hold on, not done. Look at him. Additional cover.
No more wrapping on the couch. What do you think?
What are you thinking? What are you
I wonder if I can
thinking?
go on now.
It's nice, ano.
Well, it's still 20s right now, so it's not that nice.
Tignan nyo guys, that's why I'm going to put cover everywhere. Here, look. Look. She won't be happy if she won't go up on the couch. This is what I'm dealing with, guys. These 2 boys I have. Tignan nyo the other one. Ignoring me, just licking. Tinila-tilaan yung katawan. Sus, ginoo ko pagka-spoiled na lang. Bye-bye! Let's see kung pupunta ba dito. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Come in! Hug! Come! He won't come. I guess he doesn't want treats. So, tignan na natin, guys. Tapos na po ito. Let's see kung malinis ba siya. I guess this is going out. I'm not wearing this. It's dirty still. It doesn't work. Hindi nag-work. Before I will throw this out, I will wash it by hand. Okay? Tingnan niyo ito again. Here, before it scratches. Hold properly.
Thanks.
Okay. You're happy? Yeah. Maybe over here, Hano, on top here. Line up.
That would be good, thanks.
Yeah, line up. Line up over there. How many is that? 4?
Yeah, but there's other ones.
No, that's a separate one. That one over here.
Oh, like the Star Trek ones and stuff?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, no, I don't know. Do you have Star
Yeah,
Trek?
they're in the foam. They're in the foam.
That's not Star Trek. That's Elvis.
No, there was Star Trek in there. There was a...
So, ngayong araw, wala kaming ginagawa. Sabi ko kay Tami, bukas aalis po ako. Magpunta ako sa New Rochelle bukas. Sabi ko, nasa sayo na kung gusto mong sumama. Kasi ako, gusto ko talagang magpunta doon para linisin, continue yung kusina. 2 months daw sa vlog. Tumahan tayo. Nakita kong issue. I need to... Let's look for Nemo. Yung asawa ko is si Nemo. Andun sa taas, guys. Hold on. Kanina pa yun sa attic. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa. What are you doing? You can't find it?
No.
No?
I know it's here because we brought them both together.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Yeah, I know. That size you think I will do frame, you think? It's just, seriously, Han. So, it's just here. Are you sure you're really digging? Naka-pajama pa rin tayo. Sa bahay lang kasi. Well, palagi na lang ikaw nasa bahay. Wala kang ginagawa. Hindi ka nagbibihis. Okay lang yan, nagbibihis. Ito yung gamitin ko na lutuan sa lamp. At itong humidifier. Ilagay natin sa basement. So, bakit ito yung ginagamit ko na lutuan, guys? Dahil, ano po siya, malagyan yung tubig sa ilalim, look. And then, maging moist yung niluluto mo. Kaya, palagi ko siyang ginagamit kapag magbe-bake, ganito. Hi, guys. Ipang-ginaw kami, ipang-tugnaw. Suddenly, yung asawa ko, hindi daw okay yung pakiramdam niya. Naging kahapon pa man yan, yung parang nahihilo ba. Ako din, palagi akong nahihilo, pero parang... Ha? So, yun, kakain lang kami, guys. Nagluto man ako ng lamb. There's one thing over there when you give a dog. Lamb po yung kakainin namin. At saka fried rice. Yun, kaya yellow yung rice. Sarap. Hanapin ko lang si Hubs kasi hindi ko makita. Baka andito sa bedroom. Hanapin muna natin sila. Hinahanap namin yan sila, guys, kasi paminsan talaga baka nakapasok sa attic. You know, doon kasi paminsan si Hubs baya i-open niya yun. Oh, he's right here. Nasa ilalim ng upuan. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end the vlog.
Representatives in Congress elected a president. This year, was fantastic. I was in an amazing relationship.